Hello, so I'm here at the detail apartments just to check up on the progress of work and to give you an update on how this project is going. So come along with me. So project is moving on very smoothly. If you look up there, we've roofed, so the roofing is on, but let me just take you inside. So down here we have our parking spaces for both blocks, block A and block B, and we also have spaces created for facility office as well as storage units for each apartment. So each apartment is going to have a special storage unit, you know, somewhere you can keep things you don't want to throw away, but you would rather have space just to keep them away from view. All right, so let's go up. So from the ground floor, we go up to the first floor. Now the first floor has 3-bedroom flats. So this is the foyer for the flat, and then the living area for it. You also have a space here where you can do some designs, probably a bookshelf, a wine shelf, whatever you want, while your guest toilet is over here. So you come this way and you have a room here as well. I like how each room has access to the balcony. So you have access to the balcony, and you can go from one room to the other as well. So 3-bedroom flats. On each block, it's 2 units of 3-bedroom flats. So on this block, this will be the toilet. So on this block, you have 2 units of 3-bedroom flats. And you have a lovely view here of the coastal roads. You appreciate this view more the higher we go. So those are 2 rooms, and then you have a 3rd room over here as well. And we are having doors and big French windows here, giving you a lot of ventilation. So let's go up to the 2nd floor. This is the living room. So 3 bedrooms, 3-bedroom flat on the 1st floor. And we're going up to the maisonettes. So you come up to the maisonettes, and here we have 2 units of 3-bedroom and 2 units of 2-bedroom maisonettes. So let's look at what this layout looks like. So essentially, a maisonette is like a duplex on top of a flat. So while you have the 3-bedroom flat downstairs, you also have this. So this will be the living room and the kitchen. Then to access the rooms, you have a staircase inside of your apartment. So you take your staircase, this is your private staircase inside your apartment. You take this staircase to the rooms upstairs. So it's a duplex. It gives you the feel of a duplex because that's what it is. Right? And then you have another room here. You can take this balcony. This is going to be separated because this is another apartment. Alright? So gives you a very beautiful view of the ocean and the coastal road. Now that over there is our access from the coastal road. So you just drive down, make a right turn, and you're at Zen Oasis. You can see how easy it is to access the coastal road from Zen Oasis. No driving round and round and round, just straight from the coastal road directly to Zen Oasis. So that's it. I like the concept of the maisonette. I particularly like the concept of the maisonette because you can have your guests downstairs while you are in your rooms chilling upstairs, and from your rooms you enjoy very beautiful views. Okay, so this is it. Progress of work. A lot has gone into this. The roofing sheets have been installed and we are moving in to the next phase of construction. So thank you. Hope to hear from all of you, and call me to secure your units today, starting at just 170 million naira, and you can make a 30% down payment, and let's discuss a payment plan stretching 6 to 12 months.